We chose to design a typeface inspired by street artists. We were inspired by two artists, Baet and Beastman. Beastman, known as Bradley Eastman, simplifies organic shapes such as raindrops, triangular grids, leaves, eyes, and pipes to portray new life forms in his artwork. He often pulls patterns from nature and stylizes these down to capture their core components. Baet, on the other hand, essentially paints with masking tape to create his works. He utilizes tape art to depict graphic details and geometric shapes, and at times his work also comprises of organic forms and figurative subjects. His works focus heavily on line work, and he uses many lines in unison to create form. His work tends to not only be about the art form, but about the tactile interaction his art has with the architecture, city streets, and buildings in the urban setting. Drawing inspiration from both Baet and Beastman, we started exploring type forms and characters representative of geometric, organic, and decorative shapes. We explored a variety of line work and moved away from typical geometric forms, exploring more natural and organic lines which flowed into each other. We also took inspiration from calligraphy and wanted to create a typeface which felt effortless but had a clear system in which it followed. We also liked the feel humanist-styled sans serif fonts portrayed and thought we could play on this idea. However, instead of bringing human elements into a type form, perhaps bringing organic and natural elements in, just as Beastman and Baet do in their artwork. We then found inspiration from photographs we had taken of philodendron leaves against the sunlight, where their spiny, beautiful, organic lined veins could be seen. The veins all flowed into each other naturally, and this sparked the idea for our typeface. Using these photos as inspiration, we took the form of these organic lines and started exploring possible forms and structures of letters and characters. Just as the veins do, we thought we could create letters which appeared as though they ran down from one another and became pinched at the top and bottom. We experimented with form until we found a shape and style we liked, which we could easily use coherently across all letters and characters. We then refined our letter forms further and brought them into Illustrator to produce coherent structures for each letter which we could repeat throughout the typeface. After finalizing our letter forms, we imported them into FontLab, where we could alter and iron out any issues with the kerning to ensure the letters appeared to lead into each other. As an end result, our typeface is representative of the veins in the philodendron plant, however was also influenced by the line works of Baet and Beastman's ability to blend nature into urban spaces. Our typeface is a unique and decorative font that flows into itself and depicts the intricate weave of nature.